Guys, there's my pole right now. I'm catfishing right now, and there's something hitting my pole. I'm not sure what it is really. It might be a fish, might be something else, but not sure. Channel catfishing. But we're switch ponds. We're at a different place right now. There's the pond, but hoping that we can have some luck. So, anyways, hold on 1 second. Hello guys, I'm Austin. You're watching AKW Farms. Welcome back to another video. So, well, yesterday, or actually today, I uploaded a video called Fishing. Oh, there's fish just hit that dog food. But, this is going to be number 2 of this video. Hopefully I can get something caught on video. But, if you don't know, which not sure if I said that in the last video, but there's a contest going on right now. It's for 4-H, and so it's channel cat and largemouth bass. The biggest channel cat and the biggest largemouth bass for the 4 weeks wins. So you will, they're giving away poles, 8 fishing poles. I'm not sure what type or how heavy they are, but they're poles, and I could use one because I've got this red one. But, well, yeah, that's about it for that. But we're just trying to get something caught. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. So, you saw over there we weren't having much luck, so I switched to a better lure, which I've actually caught 2 fish on this one, right there. So what you do is, with this, take it out there, cast it, hey, skip. And I know there are fish right up here, so just reel it in like this. Reel it in, and slowly. See what happens. And it's not working. Man, come on. So, I'll just tell you what happens because I'm not sure if I'll get one here. So basically, you'll let it up, and the fish see it coming up to the top. I don't know if they think it's a dead fish, so easy meal, or what. But they just jump up out of the water and they grab it, and it's just awesome. Nope, nothing. Maybe we should try over here. Okay, so we're at the new area, which is just right. Let's get a good cast out there. Look at that, look at that. Pull that thing in here. Let's just see what happens. Let it up. To the top. Oh man, you guys see that? That fish hit that thing right there. I can't see very well because of the glare of the water. I don't know if you guys can too or not, but this is my problem, the glare. So, lift it up. Nope, he ain't gonna do it. Oh, he hit it again! I'll get him one of these times. So, we have a few fish. So, we're gonna see what we can get done here with this guy. Come on. I see him. He's little. Ah! 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 And that's why you don't pull it real fast towards you. Holy cow! I got my finger hurt, you can tell. So I'll just cast it out there one more time. This is my last cast. Let's make something happen. Reel it in nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. And right there. See it hit the top? See if that fish will come up and get it. I see him. He's right there. He's going to hit it. He's a little one. Or it's not much bigger than him. Okay, there's 3 of them right there. One of these fish will come in here and get it. Nope, they aren't interested. Oh, they aren't. Let's see. That scared him. Scared him off. Well, that's probably going to be it. So, well, thanks you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you did enjoy it. I will have more fishing videos coming out soon. And I'll also have a cleaning video coming out probably a little bit after this one. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you never ever miss one of my videos. See you guys later.